Hi, it's Edwin Songbird in New York City. You're looking at a Christian who has been tortured in the Middle East with a cross in her mouth. You're looking at an ape, Edwin Birdsong, who raped his daughter billions of years ago when she was Evangeline Einstein. So, let's see. When Kenneth was my mother's husband, when I was 6 years old, spit in, released a bucket of spit into my mouth. To me, it was like he had released a bucket of pee into my mouth because I didn't want to hurt his feelings. I didn't spit it out. I held it for as long as I could. Then I felt believed, decided I had to swallow it. I had to swallow disgusting liquid. I associate a tongue as the pee tube, the penis. I find life disgusting because I find the penis that now Edwin Birdsong put into my mouth billions of years ago disgusting. I have held off allowing eternal life to exist because I don't want to live with a bucket of pee and a pee tube in my mouth forever. I've never been able I've never been about to, to perish. It's able. I have a vow, I should be able. I have never been able to perish the thoughts from my consciousness. Edwin's pee tube was shit-tipped from where it had been in the ass of his then brother, ape, Stevie Wonder, who stole the name of a saint to disguise his animal behavior. Eve accepted the guilt for the sexual abuse of the ape, the rape, the oral sex, the sex slave status. She thought it was her job to show the ape what to do, how to be, to amuse him. That is why today she still feels her role is to amuse the apes of Earth so they don't rape the light people who have come that they might have life and have it more abundantly. She can only give them eternal life when they become human. Very few have become human. So it seems it's time for heaven on earth to come about, given the Singh's decision. But the people who will benefit are the light people from the sun and the few apes who have become human. This is Miles Red Songbird in New York City, a more songbird. Signing off.